Dear students, in production planning and control subject, the fourth unit is production scheduling. Some of the portions we have covered already in the class itself. In the remaining portion, I am going to teach two important university questions through this video lecture. First question is about Gantt chart. See, in university exams, this question was asked in different styles. Let us see one by one. First style is discuss Gantt charts. Next is with an example explain Gantt chart. Next, what are Gantt chart? Explain their types, how they are constructed. Next is what is Gantt chart and how it is constructed. Next, describe Gantt charts, what are their uses. Likewise, they can ask. Okay, now let us see the topic. First, we will see the definition for Gantt chart. Gantt chart is a graphical representation of scheduling. Students, we have already explained about definition for scheduling. Again, I am repeating, scheduling is establishing start and finish times of all jobs at each work centers. Okay, Gantt chart is a simple technique that can be used to attach a time scale and sequence to a project. It is a form of horizontal bar chart. The horizontal bars are drawn against a time scale for each project activity. Now let us see the Gantt chart sketch. The length of it represents the time taken to complete an activity. The main steps which are necessary to construct a Gantt chart is, first point we have to remember is use horizontal axis to represent time. Second one is use vertical axis to represent activities. Third one, represent each activity by a horizontal bar of appropriate length. These three steps are very essential to construct a Gantt chart. Now let us see the classification or types. There are basically two types of Gantt chart. First one is load chart. Second is schedule chart. First, let us see what is load chart. See, this is the sketch related to load chart. This chart shows when certain jobs are scheduled to start and finish and where to expect ideal time. From this chart, it is very clear machine A has to complete an activity within the first 2 days. So, the horizontal bar is drawn like that. For the B machine, the fourth day is idle. So, it is kept blank. And again, for the fifth day, half of the day is idle and the another half, the process continues. So, the half of the day is kept blank. For C machine, third and sixth day is fully blank. That is, the machine is ideal for the both days. For D also, first and sixth day is idle. Okay, this is the load chart. Next one is schedule chart. Schedule chart is used to track the progress of the jobs. Now, let us see the schedule chart. See, this is the schedule chart. Before going deeply into the schedule chart, let us see the symbols used in Gantt chart. See, here there is a open bracket. This open bracket symbol represents the schedule activity time. That is, this denotes the estimated starting and finishing of a job enclosed within it. The second symbol is a horizontal bar with light dotted lines. This represents the actual work progress. Then the third symbol is a horizontal bar with dark patches or dark dotted lines. This represents the non-production time. That is nothing but the machine is under some maintenance work or something else. Okay, now in this chart there is a vertical line, dotted vertical line. This line indicates the current date. Now let us see the result of observation from the chart. Job A is about 1/2 day behind the schedule. From the sketch it is very clear the job starts at the day 1 and finish the day 5. At the half of the day the job is finished. So the job A is behind the schedule. Now job B. Job B was completed after machine maintenance, but it is on schedule. See here this horizontal bar with the dark patches. This represents the maintenance of the machine. After machine maintenance, the work is under progress and completed in time. Then job C, it is ahead of the schedule. See here the job C started on the 3rd day and finished on the 7th day, but the schedule activity time ends at day 8 only. So the schedule is ahead. Now students, if this question is asked, first write about the basic things of Gantt chart. Basic things means definition, symbols used, necessary steps for construction, etc. And then explain the 2 types of chart with the sketch.